Greetings. My name is Greg, and I'm working on the Wrebbit, W-R-E-B-B-I-T, paper clock. This is a kit that they sell. It's all cardboard, and it comes with instructions on how to put it together, and you can build a real working clock. And I bought this one on eBay. A nice guy sold it to me. This is actually my third attempt to build a paper clock. When I was about 10 years old, maybe 12, I had a Wrebbit clock just like this, but I didn't have the patience, the tools, or the skill to put it together properly, and it didn't work. It would tick a couple seconds and then quit. And then several years ago, I tried a different paper clock, one where you had to cut out all the pieces yourself, and again, similar results. It would tick a couple times and then slip, and tick a couple times and slip and stop, and it was a mess. It just didn't work. So this is my third attempt. It's on my bucket list. I don't know why I've got this obsession. In my lifetime, I want to build a clock that works. I don't know why. It's just something I've always wanted to do. So I've started working on it today. And here's how far along I've got. Ooh, don't break it. So I've got most of the back and case done. That's like 4 steps. It's really, I'm not that far along. I've definitely got the brunt ahead of me. And I'm gluing the pallet here, which is the, I think they call it an anchor. The anchor, it's the part, it's shaped like a hook, and it goes back and forth on the main tooth gear. So, some things I'm going to do different this time to try and make this work. I'm going to get some graphite, some dry lubricant, because friction is the enemy here. I've got a Dremel. I'm going to Dremel all the parts so they're perfectly smooth. That's everywhere that I looked online said that's what you should do. I've got 5 different types of glue. I've got alligator clips, clothing pins to hold stuff while it dries. I've got lots of clamps. I've got, for the big parts like the gears, when you glue the gears, you don't want them to warp. You want them to sit flat and dry flat and hard. So I've got tiles, heavy plate tiles here that I'll put the gear on a tile, put the tile on top of that, stack the rest of them up there so it's nice and heavy and dries perfectly flat. And that's going to take some practice to get that just right. But I've got high hopes for this clock. And if you're the guy that sold it to me that's watching, thank you. Thank you. I'm going to try and do you proud. So here we go.